Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to log into Cash App. Cash App is a fast, secure and easy to use mobile payment app that allows you to send and receive money, pay bills, invest in stocks and even buy Bitcoin all from your phone. And if you already have an account, logging in is the first step to accessing all these features safely. I'll walk you step by step on how to log into Cash App account. So first you need to start by opening the Cash App, or you can go to the Google and type down Cash App login as well and search for it. Over here on the top you can see the official Cash App that says Cash App login, sign into your account. Select to that. Over here you'll get this welcome screen. You'll see the option to either sign in for the phone number or the email. As I'm going to select the email, type down your email and select to the continue. Also enter the registered email or the phone number. Cash App will ask for the email address or the phone number linked to your account. Enter the correct information and then tap on next. Here you are required to type down the code that Cash App have sent you in your Gmail, and after that you can continue as well. And once verified, you'll be logged in and taken to your Cash App dashboard. From here you can send or receive money, check your balance, view recent activity and across the feature like investing or Bitcoin. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any trouble or question, please comment down and we will reach out to you.